Hello everyone! I would like to share a birthday card I did for a friend. This is in the shape of a purse. It's a really cute little purse. It measures 5.5 by 5.5. These papers are from Joanns. This is some shimmer textured cardstock, and this paper is some purple flowers paper. This flower is from Michael's. It's from the $1.50 flowers that they had. And since this already had some pearls, I decided to put a pearl string for the handle. And I glued it here on the back with some art glitter glue. It opens up this way. And I have a cut apart from Michael's. It's from the single sheets that they have. And I will write a message for her here. So there is a magnet underneath this cut apart and a magnet underneath the flower. So when I close it, the card stays closed. You will need a sheet of cardstock paper that measures 11 by 5.5. You're going to score at 4.5 and 9. So now take your paper and fold it this way and this way. So this is basically our card. To make it look more like a purse, I'm going to cut the sides here at an angle. So take your card. Once it's folded, you can burnish. So now it's very flat. Open this flap. And we need to cut an angle here and here. So I'm going to measure 1/2 inch from this edge, and I'm going to make a mark. So measure 1/2 inch, put a mark here, 1/2 inch from this edge, and also make a mark. So at this point, you can use your paper trimmer and trim from this point to the corner, or you can draw a line and cut it by hand. So we'll be cutting 1/2 inch from the side to the corner on both sides. I'm cutting along the side of the line. So I've reached my score line, and now I'm going to trim like this. So I have that off. Now I'm going to do the other side. So I have now cut off both sides of the card. This is the top flap. Now I would like to now make an angle from the top towards the card, so it's not a square shape like this. Just make another mark so that we can also angle the top part. We're going to go from the edge and measure 1/2 inch. Make a mark on the top, 1/2 inch. Make a mark on the other side at 1/2 inch. I made my 2 tally marks at 1/2 inch, and again I'm going to draw a line and cut that part out. So like this, and I'll be cutting this section and this section. Okay, I have cut these sections off. Now we can leave the purse like this as it is if you would like that, but I would like to round this corner here on both sides. So from this corner, I'm going to make another mark at 1/2 inch, and then I'm also gonna make another corner at 1/2 inch going up. So I made my mark here 1/2 inch this way and 1/2 inch going up this way. And I'm going to just draw myself a curved edge here. Just sketching a curved edge. So just like that, and I'll be cutting this part off. So I have cut that piece off from here. Now I have my curved edge. So I have done the same thing to both sides. I have curved these corners, and the card is done. We just need to decorate it as we wish. I'm going to be using this shimmer pink paper, and then I will need 2 pieces of design paper that are 2 inches by 5.5, and I need 2. And I will put one in the front and then one on the inside of the flap. So I will start by gluing the paper on the outside. So I'm going to add glue. I'm using art glitter glue for the top part. So I will place the piece that I cut directly over that. So I'm just covering the pink paper with this design paper. So next I will trim off this excess on the edge. So I just follow along the edge. So I have cut the edge off. Now I will glue the inside of the paper the same way. So I'm just covering the pink part, and I will turn it around and again just cut the excess off. Next I will take a flower, and I have cut a 1-inch circle from paper so that I can glue it behind here, because I will be placing a magnet behind this flower. So I will take a magnet and put it directly on the circle that I cut out. I will put tape over this. So I have some tape over this magnet. I will be removing this tape, and then I will glue it directly over the flower. Putting more glue on the sides. So I'll be placing the flower here, and I am only going to glue half of the flower to the top flap. So it will be about there. So I will place it in the center. Only the top of the flower is glued to the paper. So now I need my other magnet that I will place under there, and then I want this magnet to be taped here. So I will take some tape, put it behind this magnet, sticky side up. I will press this down, and I'm going to make sure that the magnet stays down. So I press it again. I will close this flap and this. So now my purse closes. So to cover this magnet, and I'll be using this cut apart from the Michaels single sheets. I will place it right there. We will remove this tape. I will place the cut apart in the center. Okay, so here's my flower. The magnets are hidden. It opens like that. What's left now is to put a handle over this card. And I have some pearl on a roll that I will be attaching here like this. So I will turn it over to the back. And then I'm just going to turn it over and then just estimate how much you would like to cut. So that should be good. So I'm going to cut it right there. The way I'm going to glue it is by using my art glitter glue. I'm putting some glue here, and I'm going to glue 3 pearls into that space of glue. I'm pressing it down. And we'll do the same to the other side. Three pearls attached to the glue. So you'll need to hold it so that it can stay in its place. So this is the card. It's really cute. I hope you like it, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.